Yo guys, and welcome to the first video on my channel. I hope you guys are doing fantastic. So welcome to my introduction video. This is a video where I will be just swiftly going through what kind of content I will be posting on my channel. So as the name suggests, Practical Coder, we will be doing loads and loads of practical coding on this channel. And well, what do I mean by practical coding? I simply mean coding that actually has a purpose. So if you're coming from an academic background or educational background, really, you might be used to doing these kind of textbook exercises which don't really serve any purpose. They don't really help anyone. They're just there for your learning, really, but they really have no value, in fact. They might be an example of a real world problem, but you could never put this software, out there. You could never deploy that. So the point here is to actually create software that we could take and deploy and actually ship to other people. But the main focus should of course be that we solve a problem of our own. We're going to be creating software that solves problems in our day-to-day lives and that kind of stuff, where it really acts as a motivation instead of these boring exercises that don't really have any relevancy to ourselves. We are actually going to be creating software that serves a purpose in our own life, and that really acts as a good motivation, because you actually feel motivated to work on it, since it will help you out. There is kind of a clear end goal, really, which there definitely might not be with these educational exercises. So we're going to be looking at some very vanilla applications at the start, such as a to-do application. But of course, they are also really great, and you could use the point of this is that I don't think that there's any to-do application that really fully serves your purpose. We're all very unique in the sense that we have all kinds of demands of a to-do application. And that is amazing, because then we can, as software developers, we can create that perfect to-do application that just works for us, that just has enough features to work for us. And I think that is amazing. And as an added bonus, if you share it, you might find that someone else also appreciates these kind of features that you thought of. So it's a really fun way to learn, and it's a really fun way to work with programming. And in my opinion, programming should be enjoyable. There should be some kind of purpose. So we're going to be doing loads and loads of those kind of applications. We're also going to be looking a lot at different frameworks. We're going to look at different, perspectives at solving different problems. So we're going to be looking at different front-end frameworks. We're also going to be looking at different kind of back-end programming languages and back-end frameworks as well. So we're going to look at different ways to solve the same problem, really. So the point in that is really that we're going to try to find the perfect match for ourselves, because every framework is different and every programming language is different, and you really have to go by personal preference here, because whatever you feel the most comfortable in, you will also be the most productive in. So that's the kind of point. We should not be forcing ourselves to work with a framework that we really hate doing. So we're also going to be kind of running head first into this. We're gonna really get our hands dirty, because we're not gonna be planning anything beforehand. That is the real software world. You might be planning things beforehand, of course, but I don't think that any plan can really predict any kind of error that might occur, any kind of problem that we might stumble across. So we're also gonna be Googling lots and lots. I will be completely transparent on this channel. I will be showing you guys when I run into an error, and you're gonna see me here sitting for maybe half an hour just trying to solve this problem. We're gonna look at Google, and we're gonna look at Stack Overflow and all of these sites where we can find these answers, and we're gonna find different techniques to find the best answer, or to find it the quickest, really. So we're gonna be looking a lot at that as well. So if you think that what I said just now seems interesting to you, well, feel free to subscribe. You can always just unsubscribe later if you found out that it just was not interesting or it just wasn't for you. So feel free to subscribe, because it would be amazing if we could create a community around this, where we're actually learning by doing, and we can also learn a lot from each other if we share different projects. We can show all the different frameworks that we are using. We can really get a lot of good ideas from each other and really grow together. So I think it would be really awesome if we could have a community. So I would really appreciate if you followed or subscribed, but you definitely don't have to. You can just watch anyways, So I'm really happy that you showed up to this video, and I'll see you guys very soon with the first upload. Peace out.